Welcome back to the channel, and I appreciate all the views that I've been getting on all the other videos, and welcome you new subscribers to the channel. It really means a lot to us whenever you guys subscribe to the channel. That means that we're probably doing a little something good. Hopefully y'all like this video too. So with that being said, here's a partial remodel that we did on this half bath. It's not a full blown out gut out remodel. It's basically remove the vanities, do a little bit of electrical, remove a linen closet, new tub, new plumbing fixtures, new flooring. Kind of like a partial. It's something that you guys can probably do on your own if you have enough time. It's not a very hard process to do. You just gotta know a lot of little ins and outs. So anyway, here's the video. Guys, please like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see y'all on the next one. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So here we have the vanities already gone. We got some sheetrock going on right now. We finished the electrical yesterday, and we're gonna patch that up there. It's already been sheetrocked, and we're gonna float it out. You can see we have done the metal corner beaks and the hardy backer and red guard. We had installed the tub. So what's next is to go ahead and do all the tile, and that'll be coming in today. So you can see those little patches there. We're doing those because they're gonna do laminate flooring here. I mean the vinyl plank flooring. That's what they're gonna be doing here. So we're just gonna level it out and then give it a quick float, and then that should be good enough. And that's about it. You guys remember there was a closet in here. There was a closet in there, so we have removed that. Also the wall, we pushed it back, so they just have a little bit more openness, open space. So here we have the cabinets that I did for this remodel. They're nice checker style inset doors and drawers. Very nice and simple, very clean, very classy. The shaker style doors, they're all the parts that we cut and we put them together. I have a video of how we make shaker style doors and how we make cabinets, so that's why I didn't take any video of that. So after that, of course, you paint all your doors and cabinets. So here's just a quick video of the doors that we painted. They look very nice. We use advanced straight whites from Midland Moore. Here we have this beautiful hall bath that we did. So we did the vanities, all done in-house. New countertops, all new cabinets, door handles, everything. Sub clothes everywhere. Inset hinges, inset doors and drawers, so everything looks nice and clean. Everything new. Beautiful countertops, backsplash. Painted the medicine cabinets. We hung the mirrors, did the lights up there, did all the texture, baseboards, flooring, removed the old tub, put a new one, all new tile, all new plumbing. I'm just waiting for the little nipple to extend the shower drain there. New toilet. Everything painted. So yeah, that's what we did. If you guys remember, there was a wall here, a closet there that we removed, and we opened it up. We moved the light from there to there. We just gotta cover for it, and that's about it. Alright guys, hope you guys liked the video. Like and subscribe. Thank you.